Another resource that's available to you that will have online copies of books that you can browse full text is called Open Library. And one way to get to some of the kids' books in here that's pretty quick, you can always search in the search box right here at the top, but you can always go to the browse and look at the subjects. And then from here you'll see that there's a children's section, and you can kind of look at the kids' books here, and it will allow you to search just the juvenile literature. So when you put in your search terms, you're not going to be getting things that might come up in the adult books. Like if you're looking for volcanoes, you'll get books about volcanoes for the kids than the juvenile literature. So if I typed in Dr. Seuss, just his last name, it's going to just search the juvenile literature, and it's going to find books about him, but then it will also find books that have been authored by him. If you scroll down the list, I can kind of just keep going and seeing what's up here. And I can say, okay, so maybe I want to do Fox and Socks right here. And then I can kind of look at if it's, I can see check availability. If it's checked out, it'll tell me here, or if it's not in a library. So I can click on check availability. And I don't think this one's coming up for me. It looks like there's a lot of editions, but they are just, oh, if I go to the next page, I might have to scroll over here. So it's kind of just limited. So all of these Fox and Socks looks like they're checked out, so it's not something I can get. So I can go back to my list and kind of look for more Dr. Seuss books. I'm going to click on the author's name, Dr. Seuss, right here, and see if I can kind of find more that are authored by him. Right here, it's going to give me a little bit about him, and then I can kind of look down here, and you'll see if it says borrow, that's something that I can actually go right away and do, so I can click on this word borrow. Now to preview these books, you're going to have to kind of create a username and password. It's completely free. Oops. And so once I log in with my username and password, it's going to let me look at the book, and I can return it right away when I'm finished with it, or I can borrow it for 14 days. So just know that this is going to be a scanned picture of the book, but you can get access to it and look at the pages all right here. So just know that's another resource that's out there that's available that you can look at. All right, if you have questions, just let me know. Thanks. Bye.